Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Colonbroom subscription. If you have taken any supplement subscription, so how you can cancel. So before cancellation you need to read their subscription cancellation policy, and their subscription cancellation policy says you need to provide at least 72 hours notice period before you are going to cancel your ongoing subscription. Okay, and if you are going to cancel your subscription prior to your first recurring charge, okay, you need to pay you can like extra fees which you save while placing your order. You need to pay extra amount, and then you can cancel your subscription. Okay, if you already receive your first recurring order, then you can cancel your subscription at any time. So how you can cancel? Basically there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. First method, first of all you need to open this link on any browser, like how to cancel Colonbroom. Okay, then you will see this kind of window. What are the subscription policies and cancellation? You can choose any option. Okay, and once you are on this page, there is a button request a submit. Okay, you need to click on this button and it will pop up new window, this kind of window, and there you can select payment and subscription option, and in the email you need to provide your email, your order ID, and your subject, I want to cancel my subscription, and the description. In the description, what you have to provide, in the description you need to provide this kind of information like your account number, your subscription starting date, end date, and you need to provide reason why you want to cancel your subscription, and you need to ask a proof of cancellation, and you need to provide your contact details if possible. Okay, so once you complete each and everything, you need to hit submit button. Okay, and once you hit submit button, in the very bottom side there is a button like submit button, and when you click submit button, they will receive your request and they will process your cancellation of subscription. And if they need any extra information, they will contact you and they will cancel your subscription. And once they will cancel your subscription, they will provide you proof of cancellation, and if there is any problem, they will also provide you the reason why they are not able to cancel your subscription. And if you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active, and you need to keep in touch with their customer support team related to cancellation and all. Okay, and once you done these kind of things, you can cancel your subscription very easily. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.